So this is exactly how to connect your Nintendo Switch here, as you can see, to your TCL TV. You probably can see the logo here. So the first thing we need to do is to actually grab the dock that you should have gotten when you purchased the Nintendo, and then make sure that you're going to remove the cover. There's going to be a cover on the back. You have to remove it, by the way. I didn't know this before, but you do actually have to remove it. And after you've removed it, the first thing you're going to do, I'm just going to lower this annoying light a little bit. So the first thing we're going to do is to grab the power cable that needs to go in here. The power cable is, of course, going to be connected to this little thing here that you should have gotten as well when you purchased the Nintendo. Just make sure that to power the dock on, of course, like this. The other cable is going to be the HDMI cable that you should also have gotten when you purchased the Nintendo. So the HDMI cable goes in here, and the other end needs to go where it actually can fit. So for me, for my specific TCL TV, it fits right here. As you can see, this is the HDMI, and I'm coming from the right. When I'm looking at the TV, it's from the right here where I was able to find it, the HDMI. And now what we're going to do, we're going to just take our Nintendo here, and then just simply plug it in here. You can see when we plug it in here, and then you're gonna click on a little button here, the power button, and it's gonna make a little funny sound, and you can see it's gonna be connected now to my TCL TV. If you cannot see it, you probably have to grab your remote, TCL remote, click on this button here, this one, and then scroll to HDMI. So for me, it's right here, as you can see. And yeah, now you should be able to play on your TCL TV without any problems. So grab your controller here for your Nintendo, and you can play on your TCL TV. And once again, it is a TCL TV, just to confirm to you. So yeah, basically that is exactly how to actually do this.